Hello from Southern Tennessee, Mom. A big shout out from Tennessee. We have something special planned for you today. We are going to do a collaboration with the Southern Country Living and Pam's Cutting Board. Um, Three great videos. I hope you stay tuned and go and watch their videos. They are excellent videos, some good home cooking, and I think you'll enjoy all three videos. At the end of the video, I'm going to put their icons at the end so you can just click on the icons and go to their videos and watch them. And also I'm going to put down in the description box below where you can go to their links if you want to watch their videos. If you haven't subscribed to my videos, please do so. It really helps my channel to grow. Like and share the videos also. Go over to Pam's Cutting Board and Southern Country Living and watch their videos. I think you'll find them very enjoyable, and I think you'll learn a lot. I really enjoy them. All right, today we're going to make vegetable beef soup. I've got about 4.5 pounds of hamburger meat here. It's 80%, 20% lean. I've got some potatoes here I'm going to peel and dice up. I've already got a pan here with water. Then I'm going to cook the potatoes and let them come to a good boil. So that way they'll be about halfway done when I start to cook the soup. Okay, I have peeled my potatoes and cut them into big chunks and rinsed them off. You notice here they're kind of big chunks. I want them that way. That way, as the soup cooks down, they don't cook down to nothing. I'm going to put them in the water and let them come to a good boil. I've already got my hamburger meat on cooking. I'm going to brown it. Okay, I've turned my eye off. I've drained my potatoes and drained my meat of grease. I have 2 cans of tomato sauce here. I'm going to add both cans to the potatoes. Now, I just took the empty cans of tomato sauce and filled them up with water. That way I get any remaining tomato sauces in the can, and added them to the soup. Then I'm going to add my hamburger meat. I'm going to add a small can of peas and carrots. I've got some green beans and corn I had in the refrigerator from last night's meal, so I'm going to add that to the soup. Okay, I found another can of sliced carrots. That just was not enough carrots for me. I'm going to add some salt and pepper, about a teaspoon of salt, probably about a teaspoon of pepper. Usually I'll put real onions in this, put it in my chopper and chop them up really fine. But I'm out of onions, so I'm going to use minced onions. And I'll probably use about a tablespoon of minced onions. And I'm going to add probably a teaspoon of Italian seasoning. I'm just going to dash it in there really good. And then the basil leaves, I'm also going to put probably about a fourth, a teaspoon, maybe even an eighth. I don't want too much in there, just a dash, because it can be a little bit overpowering. Now on the garlic powder, I'm going to add a generous amount, probably again a good tablespoon of garlic powder. I love my garlic powder. It's really good for your health, and I just love the taste of it. Now I've got some parsley here. I'm going to add at least a fourth of a teaspoon. Okay, I've got some thyme here, and I'm going to put in about an eighth of a teaspoon of thyme. That should be plenty. I'm going to put this on medium heat because I want it to cook slow. I want it to thicken up and just mix all the spices in together, and just, oh, it's an amazing taste. It's really good. On a cold winter's day, oh, you have this on. You won't be cold when you come back in and start eating this, let me tell you. This will warm you up and fill you up too. It's a really good soup. Alright, so we're just going to put the lid on this and let this cook slowly. I'm not going to put it all the way, just kind of caulk it there a little bit, and then, okay. So we're going to let that simmer and let that cook, and then I'll be back and show you what it looks like when it's done. It's heavenly. Cornbread. I'm going to tell you how we eat it. We just like to take some saltine crackers and put some butter on top of them and eat them like that. It's so good. It's really good like that. I don't know, it just brings out the flavor or something, and it's really good. But, so I'm just going to stir this occasionally and let this continue to cook. I'm going to turn it down a little bit. It's starting to come to a good boil, but see how it's starting to thicken up? Okay, it's been cooking now slowly for about 2.5 hours. It's done. I'm going to go ahead and dip some out in a bowl. I've already got our crackers buttered here. I want you to look at all these vegetables. They're just, it's loaded down with vegetables. It's a really good soup. I can't say enough about this soup. It is awesome. We love it on a cold winter's day. Also, don't forget to check out Southern Country Living and Pounds Cutting Boards videos. I'm going to put their links at the end of the videos and also in the description box below. Also, I'll put the recipe in the description box below also.